Good day, folks. Welcome to another episode. Don't be a dig. Don't turn on the hill, impeding traffic. Not cool. More dick moves. That's not kosher. It's a scary world out there, folks. Some people just drive like assholes. And we're not talking about this yellow light here. That was totally fine. Always scan intersections. People just sometimes run red lights. Again, this guy does not stop for me. I have the right of way here. Whether it's theoretical or not, I have the right of way. Same thing here, and this is the same spot where I got into an accident and this guy also flashed me. The finger sign, that is. The international sign of love. Tesla up there pulls over and then pulls right back into traffic and gets honked at. What are we doing, folks? Yeah, that's not a turning lane. At least not a left turning lane. It's supposed to turn right there. That Volkswagen on the right side, but good choices. This is not a safe gap, okay? And this is my student driving.
Yeah, again, that would be an automatic fail. You can't turn left when there's oncoming traffic, right?
I said what I said. That's not a safe gap. Be on the lookout for trucks. This guy kind of signaled just at the last minute, decided that he's going to be pulling into traffic. And my student panicked and stopped, but U-turn. Illegal. I can't say this enough. In this case, I possibly could have turned, but I'm going to stop and give the lady the right of way. So I'm going to give way. Sure, why not? I know left turns are scary, but as long as you've entered into the intersection and it's clear and safe, you should exit. And never just turn on the yellow or even on the red light. Always wait for the cars to stop. Wait for the traffic to stop and then turn. As long as it's safe and clear. And last but not least, I'm not sure what the hell this guy was doing, but he also gave my student a heart attack, so it could have been a sticky situation right there. That's it. That's all. See you next time.